All the following vocabularies talks about a coconut and its related usage or items. First, coconut. The coconut fruit or the coconut tree is called kube in Fante. Kube. A bunch of coconuts is kubetum. Kubetum. In Fante, we call a fresh coconut kubefor. Kubefor. Copra. Copra, when we say copra, a hardened coconut fruit, and that is called kubedwe in Fante. Kubedwe. It can also be called kuberipe. Kuberipe. The leaf of a coconut tree is called kube mbraka. Kube mbraka. Coconut oil is kubengo. Kubengo or kubeangwa. Kubiangwa. Thank you for learning Fante with me, Ochechrenyi Apiamensa. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.